Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Election Commission Jongkari India kalapan bana ya ka tarik ban penlong ya ka election na Bynta ka MP Rajya Sabha hakikat to ni tili ki jilla kentopru ya ka jilla Meghalaya kaban salong ha ka khatra tarik ubanai jiliu habaya Kren mat unong aikten ka BJP Meghalaya la ka sengkan penyeng Kyrtong ne em uloong ba ka seng kampat ya Kren e halor kani Henry ulapan pau ba kaseng kan ai Kyrshan ni Kyrtong ba ka MDA kan penyeng da ka baong ba ka BJP ka dontang arngut ki MLA hayeng dor ba thawan bat kan shem jing yaki banyo ya number ula Kren Shai ru ba ka BJP kan Kyrshan ya Kyrtong u ba ka Liang Pyrshah kan pha banlong udukhot Rajya Sabha
discuss anything about the Rajya Sabha elections but I guess Rajya Sabha elections may be different because for the simple reason that we have only 2 MLAs with us and probably an MDA consensus candidate may come up.
Will you be, party will be happy because now the name of former Home Minister James
No,
Sabha.
that has not been decided because none of the MDA allies have been called together. Okay. So let's wait till they call us for a discussion.
What it looks like that you are open to support because with the NPP being in the majority.
Yes.
There's no possibility of a party supporting
a
opposition
exactly.
proposed candidates.
Yeah, exactly.
Last question, sir.